Hi and welcome to Trap Talk TV. Special report. This week we bring you a special report on the incredible India Travel Bazaar. For the first time, the Ministry of Tourism, ITDC and FICCI co-organized the first edition of the incredible India Travel Bazaar in New Delhi.
We want our international delegates to go back with some new insight into India which they did not have before. We want them to go back saying that India is not only November to March, it is all 12 months.
We in the government feel that we should be facilitators for development of tourism sector, and we hold hands with the private sector in all their endeavors.
This is definitely incredible for such an event. This is the first time ITDC, FICCI and Ministry of Tourism have synergized their efforts to create such a platform which indeed gives a fillip to inbound tourism in our country.
I am happy to record that there are 247 foreign buyers from 54 countries, 246 Indian sellers, and 9,256 pre-scheduled B2B meetings.
IITB over the last few years has developed into probably the number one B2B show in India. It's also a show that brings 250 new buyers each time, and this year I think we also made a special effort with the rest of the team, that is the buyers committee, which comprises of hotels, other DMCs, the government, where we were able to bring people from different geographies into the show. So we made sure that there was no tilt only towards one continent. So we could represent all the continents and have buyers from different continents come in. And I think this is probably a great mix for sellers. At the end of the day, a travel show is as good as the buyers.
Delhi, it's a big station, it's the entry point to India. So we are looking forward to that because it's one of the famous incoming travel platform, and India need that very badly because the outbound is not in a good shape. We are also doing a similar kind of a golf summit in October with FICCI and Ministry of Tourism, our association. So where we are inviting 80 top golf tour operators from all over the world, and they will be having a same B2B pre-structure meeting with Indian golf tour operators, with golf-friendly hotels, airlines, and then we are taking them to different states of India to see the potential.
Great expectations as always. We have chock-a-block full appointments. So a lot of people from different countries have come. So we are hoping that we'll get some good mileage out of this show.
I think it's looking quite positive. We can see a lot of buyers moving around, and the meetings are going quite well. So it should end up with a good note.
This time is much more organized, and the presence of good amount of foreign buyers, and being in Delhi, it makes much more sense for any chain hotel to participate, and Delhi is being the key gateway cities. It's definitely going to give advantage to the entire industry.
Maharaja Express was envisaged in March 2010, and this is the third year plus that we are running into. And now this product has got so popular that we've got inquiries from all over the world, especially South America. That is the latest market that we are trying to tap now, and the Middle East. So these are the two markets that we are trying to tap this year.
With that, it's a wrap on this edition, but do look out for our next bulletin.